Do you miss Parmesan cheese? Well, so many dishes out there are flavored with Parmesan cheese, and today I'm going to show you a really quick and simple way how to make it in a matter of seconds, completely vegan and dairy-free. Okay, so the link to the recipe is just below in the comments, so check that out, but I'm going to go through all the ingredients with you now. We call it Xchedar because it's an extract of yeast. It is the same strain as yeast as nutritional yeast, but I'm telling you, as soon as you try this, you're gonna think, oh my God, I have cheese in my mouth. I promise you, it is dairy-free, it is vegan, and I'm gonna get on to showing you that really quick and easy Parmesan cheese right now. So as mentioned, we are using some of that nutritional yeast. Some of you folks I know are familiar with this product. It's the flaky, cheesy, savory notes. We are using our Xchedar, so this is our secret to the big food companies out there making vegan cheeses. We have a little bit of salt, and over here, this is going to give body to our cheese. This is almond meal. You could also use any type of nut meal or nut flour that you like. So all we're going to do here, guys, is I've got a little bowl here. We're just going to mix everything together. You could put this into a food processor or into a blender, but I kind of like it to be a little bit more artisanal, so I just get my fingers and give it a bit of a rub as if you're making a pastry. So there you go, that's it. It only took about 30 seconds to make that, and I don't know about you, but I'm pretty convinced that it looks like a sprinkled Parmesan cheese to me. You could pop this in a shaker. It's fantastic making a bechamel sauce. You can put some cheese through there. It's gonna give it a really lovely, rich, tasty sauce. You could also use it sprinkling on top of a vegan Caesar salad, your favorite pasta dish, or even lasagna. So there's some tips for you. I want you to write down in the comment section below how you're gonna use this cheese and what you think about it. Oops, I forgot to let you know. So with storage of this, I like to pop this into a jar or a sprinkle container, pop it in my refrigerator. It's gonna last you about 3 months in the refrigerator. But I'm telling you what, once you've made this, it's only gonna last a matter of days, I'm sure. Don't forget, guys, the secret ingredient is our Xchedar product.